Hi, so this is the Vdara, sister hotel to the Aria. Sits slightly off the Las Vegas Strip but is incredibly well connected to both the Aria, Cosmopolitan and the Bellagio, so really well positioned. It's a non-gaming hotel, doesn't have millions of facilities, so there's the check-in area, a bar area on the right hand side here and an outdoor sitting area, as well as a little marketplace or shop to buy things from and a Starbucks. That's pretty much it on the ground floor. Upstairs you've got a decent pool area and a very nice spa, but it's not a gaming casino. It's much more relaxed, much more chilled out. We really like it because after a busy day or busy night out on the Strip, it's quite nice to come back to the relative serenity of a nice hotel. Really well fragranced as well. It's got a distinctive smell to it, not overpowering, but very nice. We really like the Vdara. We think it's a bit of a hidden gem on the Vegas Strip and have visited a few times. On this time we were staying in a city corner suite, and we'll get onto that in a moment or two. Just out the front, taxi rank and Uber pickup points as well, with a very ornate display of canoes. So we were on the 6th floor this time, so relatively low floor, but actually the rooms are the same on the floors. So you enter in, it is a suite with a range of facilities. So you've got a full kitchenette, so you've got a sink as you can see, a cooker, microwave, dishwasher. But also in the suite you also have a washer and dryer as well. So if you are staying for longer periods of time, it becomes a very useful kind of facility to have. It saves going out to restaurants every single night. You can kind of bring things back and heat them up if you want to. Moving out the kitchen, you've got a small table that will seat 4 relatively comfortable. Moving on through into the living room. Again, depending where you are in the building will depend on the view. We didn't have a great view this time, but sometimes you've had absolutely awesome ones. That is a pull-out couch that goes into a sofa bed if you need it. Big television also in the lounge. And then moving through into the bedroom. Big king-size double bed. Loads of lights, USB ports around. And again, the second TV in the room is located on this wall. So you can access the bathroom from one of 2 ways. We're going to go in through the bedroom and out into the kitchen area just so you get a full view. So nice big double vanity, loads of space to spread out, get your bits and pieces laid out. We had to be quite careful with the blinds because we were low down, so we had to have the shades down most of the time. Great big soaking tub just there, with next to it a enclosed and very big shower facility. Really quite a nice shower actually. Not too much more to say about that. You've got a toilet tucked in the corner there, and then behind you you've got a very big, I suppose dressing area is the proper word for it. Along with wardrobe, safe, ironing facilities, all of those sorts of bits and pieces. So loads of room, bit of a strange layout but seemed to work really well, kind of fragments it down into nice areas. Then here's the second door leading back into the kitchen area. And then just in case no one really believed me, we'll just show you the washer and the dryer, and you can bring down to reception for kind of the items you need, so liquid fabric softener and soap and all the cutlery for the kitchen, etc. So it's all fully usable and quite a good layout. We really enjoy the Vdara. I think it's a great value for money, great position, and gives you a little bit different from the normal Vegas hotels. I mentioned the blackouts and the shades earlier. They're all controlled from various power points around the wall or control panels around the wall, and you could just put the shades down, the blinds down, have them all down or all up, all at the touch of a button. So all in all, really recommend the Vdara. This was a city corner suite.